Okay, so at this point, let's move on to our next speaker, Dimitra Kontou. She's the marketing director from Performance Technologies. Hi, Dimitra.
Good morning, and thank you for the invitation.
So it's touched a bit upon the data question and, different changes and what lies ahead, things that can be done. But I think you're going to talk to us and maybe give a solution as to how to automatically get and combine all of our data insights that matter. So,
Yeah,
post
that's
presentation,
that's
floor is yours.
exactly what I'm going to talk today. So today I will show you how to centralize all your marketing data sources in one location and how to aggregate those data sources so you can get a complete view of budget spent and performance of your digital marketing activities. Before I start my presentation, I'll do a very quick intro of who we are. Performance is a next generation IT integrator with a proven track record among enterprises in Greece. Our customers include banks, telcos, retailers, and other enterprises. But what we do, we basically love solving engineering and data science problems. And we offer solutions and services in the domains of cloud computing, business process automation, cybersecurity, and of course, as you can imagine from the title of my presentation, data science and analytics. And as you can see, we have partnered with some of the world's most trusted analytics vendors. So now let's discuss the best way to work with marketing data from different social media platforms. The basic problem is that getting the data we need for marketing, sales, and customer insight needs is becoming more complex and expensive. The difficulty comes from the fact that we use a lot of different platforms and tools. The data is stored on these platforms in different ways. As a result, the same information can have very different names on each platform. Plus, they keep changing the reporting features, making it hard for us to keep up. The cost of getting business-ready data for marketing dashboards arise from the fact that the need for data engineers is very high worldwide, and truth is that they are an expensive resource. Keep in mind that the kind of data processing we are talking about here is quite dull and will probably demotivate engineers that could be used in more challenging projects. This means you spend too much time getting, cleaning, combining, and organizing data. Most of the times, you don't have enough time to build the dashboards you need or find trends and insights that will give you an edge. If you are doing this job manually, without help from a data engineer, there is also a good chance that errors might appear into your reports and dashboards. And we know this because we have experience with it. Even though we at Performance have a small marketing operation, we still use data from more than 15 platforms, including LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Google, to run a lot of cross-channel campaigns and events each year. So a while ago, we realized that spending so much time on massaging data would impact the quality and timelines of our campaigns and events. We needed to do something about this. And luckily for us, we have an internal, highly skilled data science unit at Performance. So we reached out to them. The response was that our request would be more expensive than worth and would also be a lot of work. But they also said that what we want sounded like a common need and would look like to find an off-the-shelf solution. So after some searching, they found Funnel, a solution simple enough for us at marketing and powerful enough for engineers and data scientists to use for more complicated cases. Funnel basically automatically collects and harmonizes data from all your platforms so that you get a unified, holistic overview of all your data in one place and without coding. Using Funnel, we can create business-ready data and that is up-to-date, well-formed, consistent, unified, and available to both us, the non-tech people, and to engineers. It allows us to do this in 3 simple steps. So the first step in getting the most out of your marketing campaigns is getting data from their source. Funnel automates this process by extracting data from more than 500 sources and making it more efficient and reliable. However, fetching the data does not mean it's instantly ready to use. Funnel help us build automatic processes that change data from different sources into a standard format. This makes it possible to merge all this data into a new dataset. This is the step where funnel automation improves the quality and consistency of the data we fetch and where they turn it all into business-ready data. The final step is making our business-ready data available to colleagues and to automated dashboards who need it. Again, Funnel provides the ability to publish and pull data from various visual analytics and data warehousing platforms. It helps us create reports and dashboards using Tableau, Microsoft Power BI, and other analytics tools. And it also allows data engineers and scientists to build sophisticated integrated funnel views and models. I think it's essential to repeat that you can create such automatic processes without knowing how to program them. Funnel is focused on making it as simple as possible for us to do so. Well, Funnel is one of those solutions that perfectly fit what we want for our customers. We believe that you should own your data and know exactly how they're being transformed and used. Plus, we think you should focus on doing what you can do best and not on tasks like cleaning data. Finally, as I mentioned earlier, Performance has a great data analytics and science team with a proven track record. In addition, we partner with world-class analytics and intelligence products vendors. So, if I was asked to summarize what Funnel and Performance can do for you in just a sentence, I'd say that we help marketing teams automate the get and clean steps so they can have more time to focus on the explain and discuss part of their analysis. If you want to see more, please scan the QR code or just type funnel.io into your browser. If you wish to discuss your analytics challenges with someone who understands them in practice, you can drop me an email at marketing@performance.gr. I'd love to talk and hear your experience and challenges with marketing and sales analytics. Thank you for your attention and your time.
Dimitra, thank you very much. I saw there at some point in terms of the data sources, you also had Excel sheets. So yeah. I have to ask, how many of your clients still input or data in that fashion?
Most of them, actually.
Most of them. Okay. I can imagine. I mean, it's very common.
Well, we have customers of all sizes, and we have implemented, like a lot of projects, like with small requests up to to really big projects that they run like on the cloud or with other, platforms such as Vertica and other more heavy tools. But for marketing data, we like a lot to work with with funnel. We can have like a nice view of all our marketing data and one view of all the sources that we need.
So that's really good in terms of the funnel functionality. And I imagine then the next step is actually the integration into the client's CRM. So pulling together the marketing world and the marketing data, which obviously is great for insights and to optimize campaigns and have the big picture. How many people actually then make the connection to their CRM, their email marketing strategy, etc., and use the data in that fashion as well?
Well, at the moment, we don't have like any installation in Greece that they have connected the data from funnel to the CRM. But we gave like the option to create many nice reports through Tableau and Power BI, so they can have like a better view. Hopefully that's the next step. It's a very brand new solution for us. So and we actually started working with it to cover our own needs. So we hope that this will change in the upcoming, months.
Okay, great. All the best. Every success. I don't know if you want
Thank
to
you.
add any parting words.
No, that's all for now, and we are here. Like, if anyone wants like to explore more of funnel or talk about the challenges that they're facing with their marketing data from all the social media platforms, that we'll be happy to help. Thank you.
Thank you, Dimitra.
Have a
Thanks
nice
very much.
day.